As you can see, I'm just sitting here in my recliner and just taking it easy for a few minutes. I've been up doing some reorganizing in my pantry and also in my sewing room and trying to get some things better organized than what they have been. And so, but I just sat down for a few minutes. I want to give you all another list. You all have had meats, vegetables, fruits. You've had your comfort foods or mood elevators. And what I want to give you today, this is my list of spices, seasonings, herbs, that kind of thing. So, and then I'm going to, once I've finished this, I'm going to bring you another video that will give you a list of spices and herbs that you're going to need to do a little research on, because the list that I'm going to give you are spices and herbs that are also medicinal. So the one that I'm giving you right now, though, is your cooking spices. And so this one, of course, you're going to start with salt. You want to make sure that you've got lots of salt in your pantry. Salt has so many different uses in addition to cooking. And, also in preserving, you want to make sure that you've got all the different kinds of salt that you would need for your pantry. You need to keep kosher salt. You need to have canning salt. You need some iodized salt. And so just make sure you've got all the kinds of salt in your pantry that you need. And so the next thing on my list is garlic, paprika, cayenne pepper, ginger, onion, and when I say onion, that I'm talking about not only just onions, but onion powder, spinach, and you can dehydrate some spinach and make spinach powder, thyme, allspice, oregano, just black pepper or peppercorns, dill seasoning, celery, chicory, rosemary, mustard, chipotle, cinnamon, basil, bay leaves, cloves, curry, coriander, cumin, parsley, chili, marjoram, sage. You might want some barbecue seasoning if you don't have barbecue sauce, or you can make the barbecue sauce too. Turmeric, tarragon, pumpkin pie spice. I also have a list here of different flavorings that I like to keep in my pantry, and they include almond, anise, brandy, vanilla, peppermint, pistachio, lemon, orange, rum, maple, and mint. Let me know in the comments if there's a seasoning that you really like for your that you keep in your pantry. I just thought about one. I've got family who are Cajun, and so Cajun seasonings are really important in their pantry. So I'm sure that y'all probably have some kind of seasoning that you use that maybe I don't, or that I didn't list. So leave me a comment. If you like this video, be sure and like and share. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please be sure and subscribe. I said the other day that there are going to be some things coming up where if you're not subscribed, you won't be able to participate. So be sure you do that. And then be looking for that list of herbs and spices that are also medicinal. Until the next time, God bless.